Okay, in this session, we are going to discuss about help view. So we are going to discuss about help view, append structure, include structure. So some miscellaneous topics we will discuss. So help view. Help view is nothing but instead of providing a table, we can create a view from two tables and we can provide that as a input. Very simple. Let me show you the system. Go to section, create. Sorry, first create a view. Help view, student connectivity. Click on create, choose help view over here. Click on OK. Now, see here it is asking only one table. Same as provide department table, click on relationships. Now use here also the same condition. Click on copy. Whatever the fields you want to take additional fields, you can take all of them. The difference from there and here it is. Here it is going to perform right outer join. Okay, so whenever there is a right outer join is performed, what happens is if there is no further key on the right side, the record will be ignored. A blank record will be get every time. Let me show you this with some examples. Take a copy of it. Now click on create a searcher. So create an elementary searcher. So there it is, till there it is same, no difference. Click on elementary searcher. Student data from help view. So instead of table, you can provide view. See here. Now click on search parameter. Whatever the parameters we want to display over the serial number, admission number. The rest other everything is same. The only difference is yes. All these are same as our earlier searcher. Okay. Save it and activate it. Now, see the difference. What is the difference between that and this is? Okay. Now let me take a table, student admission table, student department table, student marks. Okay. So let's take a admission number 1. So serial number 1. Let me take CSE 0. Let me take admission to EC 0. Mr. A, Mr. B. So Mr. A, so let me take the serial number. Till here, this is one table. Serial number, student ID, student name. This is table 1. Now let me create second table. student ID, department. Now here, status, student marks. So student ID, first year, second year, third year. Okay. Now, Mr. CS02, Mr. C. Mr. C. Department CSC. CS. This is student ID. Okay. Status is active, inactive. For inactive records, you no need to enter any student marks information. Let's say a student is debarred. Okay. So some reasons he left the college. Okay. So for them, you no need to maintain any marks over here. Correct? Let me take CSC 01. So first year out of, assume like these are for 500, 450 marks, 360 marks, 380 marks. Now CSC 02 is inactive. Inactive means he is no more in the college. Only he is active. Green means active. Only this record, even though there is no further data over here, this is a blank record. There is no data for CSC 02. Even though you perform an inner join for all these things, you will get a result like this: serial number, student ID, student name. Okay. Next, department, first year, second year, third year, and status. Even though there is no data in the table, you will get a one blank record in the system. So that is the disadvantage over here. Mr. A, Mr. C, department CSC. So the same marks will be copied over here also. So this is one table data. Clear so far what I did?
It's okay. So
This is search help. This is help view. So we performed a view. Whenever I am performing a joins from left to right, even though there is no record on the right hand side, it still keep on fetching a blank record. So that is the disadvantage of, sorry, it is going to perform left outer join. Sorry, I said wrong. Left outer join. If a record exists in the left hand side, even though there is no matching record on the right hand side, the entire record will brought up into the picture. Clear? There is no data here. Even though there is no data here, though it is fetched the data from the database. So unnecessarily we are increasing the memory and we are increasing burden to the system and checking over here. Even though there is no matching record, we are getting this information. Let's say this is left outer join. If you perform this with inner join, your output is only this is your output with inner join. So that is the difference of help view with the left outer join, inner join with database view and maintenance view. Database and maintenance follow inner joins. Help view follows left outer join. even though there is no matching right hand side record, still it will fetch a blank record in help view. The reason is you should know total how many students are there. Even though he is debar, that information is required while fetching the marks. Correct? Even though a student not appeared for exams, we should display he is an absent guy. So he's not attended the exam. That information is required. So depends upon the requirement, we will choose left outer join or right outer join or inner join. So most of the cases in SAP, most of the times we follow inner join. Only for value helps, we will use left outer join. There is no right outer join in our SAP. Clear?
That's clear.
The same thing will happen. Configuration wise and everything is same. There is no difference in it. Okay, execution wise, everything is same. Even though if you click on OK button, you will get the data. Let's say I will maintain only in the admin table. So there is no record. I'm not going to maintain. Just a minute. So let me maintain one record in the admin side. Utilities, TLC. So from here also you can navigate utilities, services, table maintenance, extend table maintenance. So this is the path. From here also you can navigate to the TMZ without going SM30. Go to the system, services, table maintenance, extended table maintenance. So it will also take you to SM30. Click on edit, provide a new entry in the system, provide serial number 6, admission number 6, Mr. Ramana. Mobile number 89898. It. Now come back. Go to the view. Search. Click on OK. Now this one. I don't know. It is not displaying. I will check in offline 1 minute. Let me check here itself. Choose the relationships. Execute. Click on OK button. I'll check this, why it is not coming. I'll check in offline and I'll update you. So that is the working principle of help view. That help view we can associate internally in the search helps. So this is search help, we can provide it to our F4 values. So this way we can integrate help view and the search help. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. And next to this, we have a concept include structure and append the structure. So what is the difference between include structure and append structure? Structure. Append structure. Okay. Sometimes think a real-time scenario. Whenever you create any table, so in upcoming days, there may be a requirement. You have to add few more fields to this table. That is nothing but extension of your table. The extension of your table is two types. Extension of a table with more columns in upcoming days. This is two types. One is include structure. Second one is append structure. Okay. So when we use include and when we use append, so we have two types of tables. One is two types of spaces, two types of namespace. So this is very important. One is customer namespace. Second one is SAP namespace. Okay. So whenever we are in customer namespace, we are going to use include structure. Whenever we are in SAP namespace, we are going to use append structure. What is the difference between these two? So customer namespace means customer can add fields directly to table. Okay. Here you cannot add fields directly. Okay. So this is the difference. So when there is no possibility to add fields directly, we should use append concept. So let me tell you one standard table. Go to SC11. For now, take MAKT. Let me take one simple table. KNA1 table, customer master table. This is SAP standard table. It have already 278 fields. You no need to create any. See here, whenever I click on edit button, what it is saying, make urgent repair in foreign namespace only if they are urgent. Foreign namespace is nothing but customer namespace. Means SAP suggesting that you should not add a field directly to the table. What is the alternative? The alternative is append structure. For almost all standard tables, we append the structure. So if I want to add one more field to this table, click on append structure, click on new. So by using this way, the custom fields. Okay, now you can add all custom fields. Okay. Student customer geo tag ID. So you can provide a geo tag ID character 20. Geo tag means where he belongs to. Instead of address, nowadays geo tag we have to use. So this will capture where he is. You can track his current location, where he is now. So if like this, if you want to add more fields also, you can add. This is one example I'm saying. So this is append structure example. And this append structure is one time for one standard table. You cannot reuse this. So this is the limitation by SAP. Append structure means you can add fields to one table one time with append structure. This is not reusable. Reusable means you cannot use the same structure to one more new table. Getting my point? So whenever you want to activate, it will take little time. If you want to add same fields to, let's say, KNA1 is one table, LFA1 is one table, BUT000 is one table. So this is customer master table. This is vendor master table. This is business partner table. So here I want to add geotag ID. If you want to add these three fields in three places, by using append structure, you can add only once every time. Okay, so 3 times you have to perform the same activity in the standard tables. Clear?
Yes, clear.
So append structure. This is the field append structure. So what I can say here, gcust dot append structure, gvend dot append structure, gbp underscore append structure. Total 3 times you have to append the structure. Very simple. Adding is very simple. Okay. The importance you should know. So why I am doing this activity? What is the reason for it? In standard table, if you want to add your own customized fields, the process we are going to call it as append structure. Append structure is one-time activity for each table. So due to limitations is this is not reusable. The reason is maybe in future you want to remove one field from here. At that point of time, if you use one append structure in all places, it may impact. So that's why now SAP not provided such provision to add multiple append structures for multiple tables. So append structure is limited one time for one standard SAP table. Clear? Any questions so far?
హలో అన్న హలో
Yes.
ఇక్కడ 1 టేబుల్ అన్నారు కదన్నా డెఫినేషన్ ఇక్కడ మనం 3 టేబుల్స్ యాడ్ చేసాం కదా అపెండ్ స్ట్రక్చర్
Yes, 3 times the
కస్టమర్
append
వెండర్
structure name is different. Names are different, right?
ఓకే
Names are different. So if you want to
Okay.
extend the field is same, structure name is
Okay.
different.
ఓకే
Okay. Yes.
మోస్ట్
Now,
వచ్చి
if
ఒక
you
టేబుల్ లో మాత్రమే చేసుకోవచ్చు ఒక టైం
Yeah.
1 టైం మాత్రం
Yes. Now, yes. Now, if I want to do same activity for custom tables, create one include structure, add in all places, add in all required custom tables. Include structure is nothing but you need to create one structure. Let's say you are creating student table. Okay, nowadays students are doing a project. So it will take some time standard tables to activate it. Meantime, we will move to another concept. Go to SC level. Create one structure first. G common student data. Okay, click on create. Create a structure. What is common data? Project name. So they should work on one project name, project start date, project end date, project location, project coordinator. So let me remove all these things because I'll keep the heading as project. Location. Interview. Completion date. Okay. Project data. Okay. Let me take for time being character 50, character 100. Activate it. Okay. So this is one structure. Take this structure, and go to admin table and department table. Go to both tables. Change. Just I'm showing one example. Put here dot include. Provide structure name over here. So this is a structure name. Provide the structure name over here. You have to use the dot include. Click on activate it. Yeah, it seems field name is different. Student name. Activate it. Now you see in edit mode, you cannot see all the fields. Come back and click on display. Now you see blue color fields are additional fields. They are not actually part of this table. They are part of the above structure. Getting my point? It is differentiating with the black and the blue. Black means the table original fields. If it is blue color means the fields are copied from above structure. This is called as include because we are including. Like this, you can add the same include structure. You can add in another table too. Let me take student table. Just I'm showing one example. Provide include. Provide same table name. So here, let me change this name. Click on activate it. So in real time, before changing any table, you should work on. If I do such changes where it will impact, you have to work on that. See here, it seems they used in multiple locations. Okay, come back because we established some foreign key relationship. So that's why it is not allowing us to change that. Now go to this structure quickly. We change the field name here. So change project name. Activate it. Because we already used in this, first deactivate this, remove this one because we already implemented that. Okay, if you want to do any changes, first it will check the impact analysis. Impact means are you already used this field anywhere or not? If you used that, first you have to remove that. Then only the changes will be applicable. Is still used in, okay. Let me activate this first. It is using many places. 1 second. First, we need to change it here. So that's why whenever you are doing any changes in the table level, we should be very careful. Okay, is that field already used anywhere or not? So remove this also. Database utility. Activate and adjust the database table. Okay, table is activated. Whenever you face, if table is not activated, do the forceful activation. Now you see it is changed. Now go to the student table, place this. Because system is considering whatever the fields are coming from include, that should be unique table wise. Okay, because all fields will be copied over here. Whenever it is copied, name, somewhere here, it is treating it as a duplicated fields. Okay, now I added student level. Let me add admin level also. Click on change. Provide dot include activity. See here, same include structure I used in 2 custom tables. So now let me go back and display admin table. Now display the same for student table also. See here, these are all blue color. These also in blue color. Blue color means the fields are copied from above structure. So it is a structure. Clear? If you double click on it using navigation mechanism, it will take you to the structure. See, the field type is structure. So if you want to edit here, if you want to edit this structure, first you have to remove the structure fields from the respective tables. Then only you can edit. Otherwise, system will give you error because it is already added in another table, it maintaining the dependency now. So first you have to do any changes. First you have to delink the dependency, then add it, then develop again dependency. Clear?
That's not clear.
Yeah. So this is all about data dictionary. So tomorrow we will start with SAP standard behavior. So far we learned about custom objects. What is a table? What is a data element? What is domain? Structure creation, table creation, section creation, views creation, and all these concepts we learned. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to see how SAP developed a software. So how many standard tables are they created? So tomorrow we are trying to understand SAP standard behavior. So what are the standard tables? What are the standard T codes? What are the standard data, standard fields? What to be remembered? Okay, how the connection is established from one table to another table. So all those things, SAP standard approach for SD, FI, we will see tomorrow. Practice so far. With this, we completed a topic, data dictionary topic. Clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
clear.
Practice well because this data dictionary is important for our MDG configuration purpose. So without this customization, standard process is little difficult to understand. Okay. All these concepts we are going to combine in upcoming days, and we are trying to build configuration tables and some development activity also we are going to do. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
No, the previous record start.
Okay.